Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Home Tutor. Today we are watching some GK questions and their answers. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I'm starting my session. So I think you will watch this video and get good information. So the first question, which of the following personalities give the laws of heredity? The right answer we will watch here. First option, Robert Hooke. Option B, G.J. Mendel. Option C, Charles Darwin. And option D, William Harvey. The right answer and the right option is G.J. Mendel. Option B is correct answer. Second number question. Name the person who was also known as Deshbandhu. Option A, yes, Radhakrishnan. Option B, G.K. Gokhale. Option C, Chittaranjan Das. Option D, Madan Mohan Malviya. So, the correct option is C, Chittaranjan Das. Question number third. Which of the following is not the language and reached the 18th schedule of the Indian as a language of the state? Option A, Nepali. Option B, Kashmiri. Option C, English. And option D, Konkani. The right answer is English. Option C. Next question. Question number 4. The capital of Uttarakhand is Mussoorie. Option A. Option B, Dehradun. Option C, Nainital. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Dehradun. Question number 5. Geet Govind is a famous creation of option A, Banabhatta. Option B, Kalidas. Option C, Jadhav. And option D, Bharat Muni. The correct answer is option C, Jadhav. Next question. Which of the following represents the finance commissioner that have been set up so far? Option A, 10. Option B, 11. Option C, 12. And option D, 13. The correct answer is D, 13. World Trade Organization came to existence in option A, 1992. Option B, 1993. Option C, 1994. Option D, 1995. The correct answer is D, 1995. According to the Constitution of India, which of the following is not one of the main organs of the government? Option A, legislature. Option B, bureaucracy. Option C, executive. And option D, judiciary. Option B, bureaucracy. Next question. General knowledge question and answers. General knowledge questions and answer for competitive exam. Question number 9. In which year did the cabinet mission arrive in India? Option A, 1942. Option B, 1943. Option C, 1945. Option D, 1946. The correct answer is D, 1946. Question number 10. Panchayati Raj comes under option A, residual list. Option B, concurrent list. Option C, state list. And option D, union list. So, the right answer is residential list. So, today I am completing my session here, and I think you like this video. You will like this video. Namaskar.